What's going on, everybody? Today we're talking about this Braun 7 series. And it's possibly my new favorite and maybe favorite of all time shaver. This electrical shaver is great. All right, guys, a 5-minute charge gives you 60 minutes of runtime. That's absolutely insane. Okay, and you can see right here, it shows you, let me see it. You can see that line. It shows you the battery in detail. Also, another thing, there's 3 different modes. You got the gentle mode, the standard mode, and the turbo mode. That's very unique for a razor because you just turn it on and you go. But this one is gonna adjust to what you need for your skin, which I absolutely love. Another thing, it has the 360 technology. These are able to swivel in every single way. Look at up, down, side, side, boom. And then these heads, the razors actually go in and out and they kind of conform to your face, press, whatever you knew. So they have that sensing technology, everything. Very comfortable, very powerful, as you can hear. All right, guys, really good. I love the Braun 7 series. Absolutely fantastic razor. It comes with a cleaning kit if you get that one. I'd get it. Just get it, guys. It's so cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you're looking for a top of the line razor, this is the one to go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day and take care.